Do you know you can create your digital art in just by 5 seconds? Yes, I'm correct. You no longer need to spend thousands of dollars to a graphic designer to create artwork. You can do it yourself simply by typing. So, in this video, I will show you how to create digital art by simply typing. This video will be very interesting because you have never seen this method before, so don't skip any part of it. To begin, type DALL-E into Google. You must click on the first link. This is the website overview. You can use this website to create any design by simply typing your requirements in a few seconds. The best thing about this website is that it is completely free and legal. This website gives you complete license to use their content anywhere. So, in order to create your design, you must first create an account on this website. You can sign up for an account by clicking here. You can add your email, Gmail, or Microsoft account when creating an account. I've already created an account, so let's go straight to the website's dashboard. To get your design, you need to enter your specifications here. But the main question that will cross your mind is whether this website is profitable or not. So don't worry, I'll show you 2 Etsy store examples of their earnings, and you can earn the same amount by following their stores and using this website. Let's take a look at this Boho Rena store, which sells boho floor art. This shop specializes in digital boho floral wall art. As you can see, the theme of this store is green, and all of the wall art is green. Let's take a look at this wall art, which is a green boho-style eucalyptus print. If I want to create a similar design, I will go to the DALL-E AI website and type my requirement. I will give details of my design here. That is, green boho eucalyptus floral print in white background. It will create our design automatically in a few seconds. Here you can see I received my design simply by typing. This one appears to be good. The best part about this website is that you can create variations of your chosen design. As you can see, we also have a design variation. We can choose any one of these designs. Let's take a look at this store's last month's sale. I have collected this information from Everbee and it shows this store have average sale of $200 per product, which is more than $500 per month. There are numerous stores that sell various styles of boho floral wall art. This store specializes in abstract. You can also make this type of store by simply typing. Printable Lisa's Pets is the next store. This shop sells pet sketches in black and white. This store has a variety of animal sketches with glasses on their faces. Let's take a look at how much money this store is making by simply creating sketches. This store has earned a total of $87.33 of all time. When converted to dollars, it comes to $92.02, which is a reasonable amount of money. You can also create these type design very easily. For example, let's create similar design to this. I will put my requirement on the website. I got my design. This one looks good. Let's see its variation. This variation appears to be good. This one is superior. As you can see, this design is similar to that of a store. Using this method, you can create a variety of designs simply by typing. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to create free designs with AI. Please leave your thoughts in the comment box, and please like and subscribe to my channel.